All right, how's everyone doing today? Well, I'm in the barn here. I'm in the goat pen that we had two goats. There's one goat, Viola. She's a baby, well, a smaller goat that my girlfriend doesn't want to breed because she's too small to birth. So we kept her in here for a few weeks so that she could breed her other goats that are out there. I'm not sure if you can see them through the window. But the goal today is to clean this up because she wants to use this as a kidding pen in here for when the goats have their baby goaties. So I'm going to be hooking that up and cleaning it up nicely. Don't forget, guys, please help me out. Subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share my videos around. It helps me out a lot to get my content out there, and a lot of people are enjoying what I'm doing. So I'll set the camera up on the far side here, and what I've got as well is my wheelbarrow. I'm going to grab a pitchfork, and then I'll take this out to the compost pile so that I can start breaking down for the gardens in the spring. There's still a bit of hay in the feeder, so I'll probably end up taking that out to the goats so that they can finish eating the hay. But in the meantime, I'm going to start scooping this up and get it into the wheelbarrow. I'll probably need a shovel as well because pitchfork probably won't get the bedding. The bedding we've got down is some sawdust, and that just helps absorb all the smells and all the moisture from them peeing and things like that. And it'll make great compost for the garden beds. There we go. Shovel will make it a lot easier. Should be wearing my dust mask because my allergies are probably going to kick in pretty bad here. All right, be right back after unloading this. Right, first load done. It'll probably take 4 or 5 loads, I would think. So this will make great compost. You got the goat manure in there. You got some sawdust shavings and some of the old straw and hay. Ideally, the hay is probably not the best because you still got the seeds in it, but I'm hoping that it'll heat up enough. I'll try breaking it down. Maybe if I'm smarter, I can do a pen around it and the chickens run through it as well and scratch it up and eat all the weed seeds in there too. I've just walked over to where, up here in the compost pile. It's just right over here, not too far from the barn, and the garden beds will just be on the other side of the drive shed over there. And she does deep layer mulching for her chickens and goats when they're inside. Basically what you're doing is layering your wood shavings every few weeks. Just keep layering more shavings over the winter time, so it just compacts down, and all the animal waste like the manure and the urine goes and absorbs it and helps to break down some of the nitrogen in there. And this is what it looks like. This is like nice looking stuff right in here, and all the hay that breaks down too. So I'll make great compost there. So once I add it to our pile here, it'll slowly start breaking down. Probably not so much here in the winter time, but when things get warming up, probably dump in a few buckets of water and I'll start breaking it down. So I'll load this one up and I'll go back and get the next load. I'm sure too, once we get this all cleaned out, probably sweep it out really well. And we've got a few things we still need to do in here. She wants to fix up the feeding area so that they don't waste so much hay. But that'll be after we clean this all up and get it sorted out. You can see how much hay the goats waste too. always hard when you got a little bit of a dog help here too. Always getting in the way. All right, another load to go. All right, so you can tell here now I've got a lot of it out. Gonna have to do a little bit more of a better cleaning in the food trough or the hay trough. And Priya's still trying to help me here, aren't you, Priya? Aren't you? Yeah, good dog. So I just got some more shavings here to do quickly and some more of this. And then once I get that done, I'll show you how it looks. Well, there you have it, guys. Got this section cleaned up. Probably needs another quick once over, but I got most of the shavings and hay and everything else out. Still need a little bit more in there, but I think that's all right for now. The girlfriend come take a look and see what she thinks. I'm not sure how clean it needs to be for having it ready for when she has her baby goats. She'll probably be bottle feeding a few of them in here as well. And we've got some pens. There's some sections there that we can use as well to section it off so that we have a few different sections for the baby goats. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video on cleaning the goat pen here on the homestead. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you out there. Have a great day.